watching. I'm Howie at HDM 3D. Several months ago, I was badly injured and spent many months recovering at home. A great friend of mine sent me a Wanhao i3 Duplicator Plus to help me pass the time. A huge shout out to Lucas. Thank you, buddy. Since then, I've been printing all kinds of goodies. I decided I should also learn 3D modeling and began using Autodesk Fusion 360. I love designing my own gadgets, tinkering, and 3D printing just makes them real. Anyway, a few weeks ago, my buddy Lucas pointed me to a sale on the Creality 3D Ender 3. It was too good to pass up. At least that's what I told my wife. Well, it arrived. So I thought I'd do an unboxing and assembly video. With that, let's crumble this cookie. Unboxing. I ordered the glass build plate as well. I'll just put that aside. So it's nicely packaged and appears undamaged. There are the instructions. Let's open those. Okay, it looks like a few easy steps. 12 steps altogether. Let's start unpacking. Here's the LCD. Some 2020 extrusion, 2 pieces. The build plate. The Z-axis and extrusion stepper motors. Everything is pretty tightly packed, so I didn't want to damage anything, so I unpacked it off camera. Here's the base, which is fully assembled out of the box. The extruder hot end is attached by wiring and PTFE2. There's the power supply. Select either 115 volt or 230 volt, depending on where you live. I chose 115 volt for the US. There's some clips and an adjustment wheel that fell off the bed. Here's the X-axis bearing assembly. The Z-axis stepper motor. The spool support and spool holder. Handy dandy putty knife. Try to get that plastic off of there. The power cord, the US version. Some 2040 extrusion and Z-axis rod is packaged inside. A package of screws, zip ties, tools, fittings, etc. Set those aside. The sample package of white filament There's not much there to do anything with. I don't even think it'll get through the test print they send with you. Here's an overview of, oh, there's my dog Khaleesi. Hi, Khaleesi. Here's an overview of the unpacking. I unpacked most of the items, but I left the screws and bags so that they didn't get mixed up. It's a great assortment of tools. Cutters, putty knife, screwdriver, wrenches, and hex wrenches. Looks like I'll need to print a tool holder for the upgrade. Let's get the instructions. Step 1. Install left and right uprights to the base with 4 screws. I've installed the uprights with no problems. Step 2. Install the power supply and LCD. Super easy. Just make sure to align the T-nut. Install the Z-axis limit switch. Easy. Just make sure to align the T-nuts into the channel. I also connected the Z-stop wiring. Step 4. Install the Z stepper motor and rod. Step 5. Install the Z-axis and extruder stepper. Step 6. Install the X-axis and X-axis bearing assembly. Step 7. Install the X-axis belt. Step 8. Install the X-axis belt tensioner. Step 9. Install the X-axis assembly onto the uprights. And Step 10. Install the horizontal top brace and the end caps. Step 11. Install the spool holder. Step 12. Install the wiring. All are marked for their positions. They're very easy. Step 13. Oh, wait, we're done. That took less than an hour, and I learned a lot about the whole machine in the process. Let's see if it works. All right, time to put in some filament and level the bed. Well, that wasn't as daunting as I had feared. Everything went smoothly. There are some extra screws included, so don't fret if you misplace one. I hope this helps you, and I hope it helps ease your mind about buying this kit printer. Super easy to put together. I haven't printed with it yet, but I will definitely run it through its paces, and I'm sure I'll share those videos with you as well. If you like this video, show me some love and hit the like button. Also, feel free to subscribe. Right up here, that's where it is. Hit it, subscribe. I regularly show my prints on live stream, so you can watch some of those over there. Thanks again for watching. I'm Howie, and that's how we crumble the cookie.